In this video, I'm going to show you how to change order of items in Square. Now, if you're trying to do this, I'm assuming you want to do it on your Square website. So to do this, you first want to go to your dashboard, click on Online over here, and click on the Websites. Whenever you do this, over here on the Websites menu, you want to go to Website on the left, and you want to click on Editor. Now, over here, of course, first, you want to make sure your items are actually showing inside your website. So here, when I open my editor, when this loads in, you'll see over here on the left, you have like a bunch of different things. You want to go to Home up top, and then from here you can see the category panes, and there's a Shop All. Now, if the Shop All is not showing for you, you can go and click on the plus button and then go Page and add a Shop All over here, okay? Now, whenever you do this, you'll see over here, there's going to be all your items you are selling. Now, to actually change the order of these, or any items really you're trying to change the order of, you can go and click on this item list, and then over here at the top left, it's going to say Arrange Items. So you want to click on Arrange Items. And then from here, as you can see, you can now arrange them. You could go and use any of these arrangements like popularity, newest, price, high, low, whatever, and it's going to change over here, or you could do custom as well. So if you do custom, as you can see, you can now go ahead and basically change however you want it to be. So you can just drag and drop these kind of in the middle over here. If I want to put shorts here, I want to put them like this. So you want to put them in the middle when this kind of black bar or line shows. There we go, and you can basically arrange this however you want, and it's going to update in real time over here on the right. And as you can see, that's essentially how this works, and that's how to change order of your items on your Square site. So whenever you do this, don't forget to actually save and publish, and you're good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.